Are you looking to start a business in Ghana in 2025 and you have only 500 Ghana cedis to spare? Then this video is for you. Today, we're going to show you how to turn the 500 Ghana cedis, yes, small money, into a big opportunity that can change your life. And so, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and as usual, let's dive straight into the video. So, 5 business ideas that can help you get some side income in 2025. As usual, I'm your host Joshua. Let me know what you think about the video. If you agree, like the video. If you disagree, leave a comment and let's engage in the comment section. So what are we talking about, guys? Now, the first business idea is just to make some breakfast foods and sell. Now, this goes for those who know how to cook. How will this work? So now you can make some breakfast things, get some those kind of sandwiches and stuff. Like people are going to work in the morning, they don't have time to cook before going because they don't want to be late to go to work. So this way you can take advantage of it. What you can do is that you get some breakfast items. You can look at sandwiches if you can do it. If you don't know how to cook, go on YouTube and learn how to make sandwiches. It's not that difficult. So you buy the items you need, the ingredients you need, add a amino to it, package it, put it in a nice brown paper bag, make it look nice. Then tell the people in your office. Tell them that you do sandwiches, you make some for yourself, and you make some for everybody. To market it, what you can do is that make one sandwich for free and give it out to somebody in your office. The next time you give to another person for free, and you realize that before long, if your food is nice, that is, if it's nice, if it's not nice, don't expect anyone to come back. But if the food is nice, food markets itself. And so once the food is nice, people will come and ask, oh, where did you buy it from? And tell them, okay, I did it myself. That is it. You just be supplying them to breakfast stuff to your people, and then you'll be making money from it. Very, very, very simple. So as long as your food is good, you can try this business idea. It's going to work out well for you. Now, business idea number 2, phone accessories. Everybody, the phone market in Ghana is crazy. Almost everybody is trying to use a smartphone, whether it's Android or iPhone. And the thing about phones is that, actually, the thing with smartphones is that they need accessories. They need protector, they need phone cases, they need chargers, they need earpiece, they need wireless earpieces. As for chargers, these days, as soon as you buy a charger, there's a few months it spoils. Whether the charger head will get spoiled or the cable will get spoiled. Don't let me even start about protectors. As soon as your phone drops, you need to get a new protector because you don't want to spoil the screen. And these days, a phone is an investment because these days, some phones cost over 10,000 cedis. Yeah, some phones cost about 10,000 cedis. And so if you buy a phone and you don't want to spend 20, 50 cedis to buy a protector, then you are just worrying yourself. The same for cases. And so what you can do is that you need to get a good, you can go to Circle where they sell these things on wholesale basis. You buy it in bulk. You can go with 50 cedis, 100 cedis. You just buy what you can afford. Then you resell them. Then when you find the profits, you go and buy another one and you resell it just like that, little by little, and then you go down to make a nice side and income. Because almost everybody understands phone cases and accessories. Not something you need to explain to the person why a phone case is needed, why it's valuable. As long as the phone case is nice, actually if the phone case is really beautiful, women will love it. And so you just plan it, go to Circle, buy, resell. But if you're not in Ghana, you don't understand what I mean by Circle. But if you're a Ghanaian, you know what I mean by Circle. So let's go to business idea number 3. That is liquid soap and detergent production. Anybody that has stayed in a home before knows how valuable soap is. Actually, liquid soap and detergents is used. We use it for washing. We use it for washing dishes, for washing vegetables, for cleaning the. I mean, it's not for not for washing vegetables, but for washing, washing dishes, for cleaning the floor, for cleaning the WCs. These things are very, very important. They are used even those who have washing machines is used for washing in washing machines, and so these are things that are used almost daily in homes. And learning how to prepare liquid soap and detergents is not that difficult. If you're in Ghana, you know about how they organize these classes almost frequently. Almost every few months, you hear somebody organizing the liquid soap and detergent production class. Yeah, so take advantage of that opportunity. Learn that skill, learn how to make liquid soap and detergent. Go to your church, tell the woman there that, oh, I have this liquid soap I have made. Then take advantage, just sell to them. You buy a little, when you make the soap, then you resell it And at all, you reinvest the profits little by little. It make a nice side income for you. And if you don't even know anybody that's organizing the class, these days, even when you go to platforms like YouTube and you type in how to make soap, how to make liquid soap, how to make detergents at home, it is all there. Everything is online now. So guys, take advantage of this opportunity. Because 2025 is just a few weeks away. And then if you grab hold of this opportunity, it could change how your whole 2025 is going to be like. Now let's go to business idea number 4, which is selling of secondhand clothes or fools, as we probably call it. Now, we can, as for secondhand clothes, if you're in Ghana, you know why people buy secondhand clothes or bend down because they are cheaper than going to sew ready-made clothes. A lot of people buy them. These days, there are a lot of popular even Instagram and TikTok pages where secondhand clothes are being sold. Very nice secondhand clothes. We call it selection. You do a very good selection. You can go to Kantamanto or Kanta, but that's nice selection. Start with 223. You go there very early in the morning at dawn. You get a good price. You bring it to Accra. Excuse me. You bring it to Accra. Then you resell it. You start with your friends. Start with your church members, your work colleagues, and then you are moving. That's it. Now, like I said, you get it, you reinvest, like the whole show. And after a few weeks, you realize that, yeah, it's a good step that you have taken. Now, we're going to talk to you about the last point. The last point is one of my favorite points. But before we go to the last point, don't forget to like the video, share, and comment. Let me know whether you agree with the points we've spoken about earlier, and if you disagree, let's talk about it in the comment section. Share to your friends so they can also benefit and take advantage of this opportunity in 2025. Now, the last topic or the last business idea is starting a YouTube channel. Now, starting a YouTube channel, it's something a lot of people have done so much, and now people feel like there's no more opportunity in YouTube. Is that the case? No, that's not the case. I believe that there's been now a greater opportunity in YouTube than what they used to be years ago. Why do I say so? We are in a year where elections, especially even in the US now, the election we just had, I think last week, was mainly determined by social media. Social media has changed the game from traditional media. Traditional media is traveling. The newspapers are going out of section. People are not even reading newspapers. I don't remember the last time I saw a newspaper. When it even comes to the traditional media, the radios and TVs, they are even on social media now. They do live on social media, upload their content on social media. So that should tell you that social media has come to stay. And then its popularity and influence is even now exploding and it's now beginning. Now they are in the US like this in their presidential election. Presidential candidates who both their sides went to podcasts, online podcasts. Yes. I don't know, I'll be surprised if it gets to a point in time where presidential candidates were having debates on YouTube, Spotify. It's not just to the normal traditional media as we are used to. And it's going to happen. And so if you feel like the opportunity in YouTube is just used up, no, that's not the case. It's even now beginning. And so if you feel like you are good in front of a camera, or you know how to speak, you have a topic, you have a niche, you have a phone, just start something. You'll be surprised at where it will take you to. You just use the paper list to buy data, open a channel, start some designs, then you upload your first video. Then you keep on uploading consistently. You'll be very surprised as to where it's going to take you. So, we've come to the end of the video. I've given you the 5 business ideas you can implement in 2025 to make money with just 500 Ghana cedis. Now, we have more videos about how you can make 5 business you can start with only 1,000 cedis. So if you want to watch that one, so make sure you like, share, comment, then click on the notification bell and subscribe so that when I upload that video, you'll be one of the first people to see it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.